Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add Stinger transitions to OBS. So let's go to the OBS first. So after going to OBS, you'll find here scene transition section here, this one. You have to click on this plus icon and choose the third option Stinger. And then you can rename your Stinger name. You can name anything. Click on OK. Now you have to choose a video file. Click on Browse and choose a video from your computer. Click on open. Now transition point type should be time. Okay, if it's set to anything like frame, you have to click on time. Make on time and then you'll find the transition point. You have to make it 500 ms. Now you can see the audio monitoring. Click on this and choose monitor and output. Now you can click on OK. Then its transitions will be created. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.